Take this up.
Okay, we're just chatting, but we're back now. This is some of the cutest stuff we've ever seen. Mario, you were playing a while ago, guys. That's what you did there. Get this, they aren't usually relevant or regular crocheting style. They're different, and he'll explain how so and share some more with us. The owner of Nuigurumi Studio, Celine Hugh, who specializes in amigurumi.
Yes.
Because there's a difference. I bet you didn't know I knew that. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm not too bad.
This is so cool. But to the untrained eye, it would look like you just crocheted this regular style, but it's not.
It's
regular
not.
style. This is called amigurumi.
Yes.
Which is?
It is the Japanese art of crocheting or knitting stuffed toys.
Okay, so Nuigurumi is a Japanese art of...
Amigurumi
No, so Nuigurumi
is the name of the business.
Right, it's the name of the business, and that's a Japanese art of making stuffed toys, generally.
Right.
Your business is making crochet toys.
So amigurumi is the Japanese art of crocheting or knitting stuffed toys. Nuigurumi is just the Japanese word for stuffed toys.
Gotcha.
Yes.
So that's a distinction I'm trying to make. Okay.
yes.
And so how did your interest in this get sparked? Because you are actually a graduate of UTech in culinary arts and management, and this don't fall into either of...
It's art, though. It's art. And so I have some cousins in foreign, and I wanted to gift them with something, and so I decided, I have some yarn laying around, I'm going to start and make something heartfelt. And then I realized that, okay, not too bad. I met in an accident last year, February 2022, and then I realized that, okay, it's a good way to rehabilitate my hand. And I started doing it. Family and friends said, it's pretty good. And that's where it kicked off.
Pretty good. So the accident took you out of the full-time work.
Right. Yes.
And so this helped you. Did it help you?
It did.
It must have helped your mind too, don't it?
It did, because you have to count a lot. And so it definitely...
Makes you mentally sharp.
Definitely.
Oh my gosh. So how did you learn this stuff? This is like YouTube or?
Definitely YouTube. Self-taught. I just went on YouTube. Taught myself.
But this is like really
you can learn everything on YouTube.
I know, but how long does this take you to do? Because it's intricate. It's so neat. It looks professionally done.
Thank you. It depends. It varies. For small items, maybe 8 hours. Larger items can take longer, maybe 8 to 15 to 20 hours.
One go. You just sit down and do it one shot?
No one can sit down and do that for one go. Well, I'll probably watch something and do it, some anime or a movie.
So you love Japanese culture?
I do. Food.